My friends, good to see you back. So this is simple Italian cooking, and as usual I'm sharing with you very simple and basic cooking techniques so that you can create your delicious meal at home. So all that you need is a little bit of passion and the right cooking ingredients. So today I have a great news for my vegan friends. We will do something magic with this beautiful eggplant. We will cook risotto con melanzane a funghetto, which is basically a risotto with eggplants cut in small cubes and fried up. So it will be extremely delicious. So what we will need for this today? In addition to this melanzane eggplant, we will need a few tomatoes. I found those ugly ones. They are perhaps not so good for raw eating, but for risotto they are perfect. We also have a little pepper from our neighbor. We have from the garden a bit of mint, salvia leaves. Basil is always important. Red onion as well. Some garlic. These olives from the garden. And also a little bit of ginger. And in addition, for our risotto, obviously we will need the rice. Italian rice, we will need olive oil, salt, pepper and a little bit of spring onions. Right, so we will start with the cutting work. I will start over with the garlic. Basically what we have to do, we will have to cut in small pieces everything that you see here, put it into the pot, add olive oil and some salt and pepper, and then thereafter the rice, add some water, and then wait what will come out. It's very simple. Come on. Okay, I think that will do the job. We'll move over to the onions. Attention at the finger. So we got the onions. We will also add the olives. I will add the salvia leaves. I will add the mint leaves. I will start cutting the tomatoes. Very, very simple. I will also, what else we need? The ginger, yes. The ginger, just one small slice. I will remove that part. So the ginger is always good during these cold temperatures or in times when viruses are going around. It will help strengthen your immune system. So always a good idea to add ginger when you cook. As well as the peppers. Pepper is also, the more spicy the better, of course. But when you eat with kids, you need to be careful, but pepper is always good for your immune system. Let me start now with the eggplant. I don't know who invented this name eggplant, because honestly, I don't see any egg in this plant. But let me show you how I will cut this.
It's aubergine.
Aubergine, yes. In German you call it aubergine, in French aubergine, in Italian melanzane, and in English eggplant. Okay, I think this is about the right size of the cubes, and you will see once it starts frying it will get smaller. The cutting job is done. Let's have a look. I will now add the flavors, a little bit of sugar. I actually forgot to mention it earlier. We will also add the pepper. We will add the spring onions. Sorry, camera. I will add some salt. Yeah, and now we can start cooking. We will add the rice thereafter, and then we will always add a little bit of water for about 30 minutes. I have just started frying the eggplants, and there's an incredible, delicious smell coming out. We will fry for another 5 minutes and then we will add the rice together with some water. Oh my god, look at this. So now is the time to add the rice. I will also add some hot water and keep stirring for the next 10-20 minutes and then we are ready to eat. Not a bad idea to add a little bit of white wine. Yeah. This will give an additional nice taste. My friends, let's have a look how the rice is dancing. It looks pretty close to al dente. Perhaps, my friends, this smells incredibly delicious. And I think this little shot of white wine is really making a difference. The rice looks al dente, so I will now prepare the plate. And let's see how it tastes. Oh my god. Look at this. Mmm.